Well, my dear children, I welcome all of you to this class of trigonometry. Okay. So, from the very beginning, we will have a rediscussion of previous year's lesson for a few minutes. Then we will turn to the new lesson. Okay, that is given for class 10. Here, ABC is the right angle triangle and B is the right angle. Let's C is equal to alpha degree. Then if tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, then find the other values of other ratios of alpha. What will be sin alpha, then cos alpha, then tan alpha. Tan alpha is given, cot alpha, sec alpha and cosec alpha. We have to find all the values. Okay, let's start. The given condition is tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, if tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, you see, what do we mean by tan alpha? Let's revisit. Yes, here is alpha, AB is B and BC is B and AC is H. What is given? Here T is equal to 5 and B is equal to 12. Am I right? Tan alpha 5 by 12, AB 5 सेमी हेले BC 12 सेमी, AB 5 एकक हेले BC 12 एकक, ये सब कथा गुड़ाक आम जानी सारी. तो बर्तमान कथा हूँ how to find the other values of alpha, other ratios of alpha, trigonometric ratios of alpha. So here first of all we need, if AB is 5 unity and BC is 12 units, then how much will be AC? First of all we have to solve it. H is equal to, yes, C square plus B square root over of B square plus B square. If we put the value of P, then square of 5 plus square of 12 root over of it 25 and 134, then 169, the root over is 13. Definitely AC is equal to 13 units. Okay. You see, what about sin alpha? Sin alpha, yes, P by H, 5 by 13. Then cos alpha, B by H, 12 by 13. Tan alpha is given as 5 by 12. This one is given. Then cot alpha is equal to, yes, B by P. Okay, 12 by 5. Sec alpha, yes, relationship between H and B, H by B. 13 by 12. Cosec alpha is the reverse of sin alpha. As sin alpha is 5 by 13, cosec alpha is 13 by 5. Okay, these are the things that we have already studied. Then we have to turn to the second point. If the value of C is alpha degree, what will be the value of A? Definitely B is the right angle 90 degree. A plus C is equal to 90 degree. If the value of C is alpha, then the value of A is what? Yes, 90 minus alpha. We have already rediscussed the trigonometric ratios of 90 minus alpha in the previous video. Okay, So for this angle A, or for 90 minus alpha, this is not at all B, this is not at all P, they will be changed. Okay, for 90 minus alpha पहले ये 90 minus alpha को हमें धरिबा ता पाई जोड़ा opposite side हला 90 minus alpha रो opposite side हला BC हला तेनो चेंज है जीवो एटा जो P 90 minus alpha पाई एटा P. Okay, and this will be B 5. चित्र खड़ा हो जाए बड़ सान हो जाए ठीक अच्छे यहाँ पे आम आग एडजस्ट करा पड़ो. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 90 माइनस अल्फा यस P by B 12 by 5 sin 90 माइनस अल्फा मूल्य है पे केते 12 by 13 सम्मुखीन बाहु बाह्य कर्ण. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज 90 माइनस अल्फा पाई दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर 90 माइनस अल्फा पाई दिस इज द बेस. ओके, एंड दिस इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ओके, इट ही करना. सो sin 90 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 12 by 13. Cos 90 minus alpha, yes, B by H, corresponding B 5 by 13, 5 by 13. Then tan 90 minus alpha, yes, tan 90 minus alpha, cot 90 minus alpha. Tell me sec 90 minus alpha. Just I am writing the questions. Cosec 90 minus alpha. What about tan 90 minus alpha? Here is the 90 minus alpha. The opposite side is 12 by 5. Okay, 12 by 5. Cut 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha. Cut 90 minus alpha. B by P 5 by 12. This is the reverse of reciprocal of 12 by 5. 5 by 12. Cut 90 minus alpha. Tan 90 minus alpha. Yes, sec 90 minus alpha. Sec is the inverse of cos 90 minus alpha. 5 by 13, that is 13 by 5. What about cosec 90 minus alpha? Yes, sin 90 minus alpha is equal to 12 by 13. Then cosec 90 minus alpha is equal to 13 by 12. From this discussion we can conclude sin alpha I by 13 is equal to cos 90 minus alpha. So we can join it here. Cos alpha I by 13 is equal to sin 90 minus alpha. Here tan alpha I by 12 is equal to cot 90 minus alpha. Okay, cot 90 minus alpha is equal to cot alpha is equal to tan 90 minus alpha. Likewise, sec alpha is equal to cosec 90 minus alpha, and cosec 90 minus alpha is equal to sec alpha. We can have another. We can write this conclusion in a different way. केमती आम लिखिपर तो देखीदे ये इक्वाल लिखिपर sin 90 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वाल टू cos अल्फा. लाइकवाइज cos 90 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वाल टू sin अल्फा. tan 90 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वाल टू yes cot अल्फा. cot 90 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वाल टू tan अल्फा. the sec 90 minus alpha is equal to, yes, cosec alpha. Cosec 90 minus alpha is equal to sec alpha. These are the things. Okay. Now we will test. First of all, if one ratio is given, what was given? Tan alpha is equal to 5/12. This was given. How to find other ratios of alpha? We have done it. Then what is the relationship between 90 minus alpha and alpha? Here we have discussed. Then we will have to test all the formulas. Okay. What will be the value of sin alpha by cos alpha? Okay. Sin alpha is equal to 5/13 whole by cos alpha 12/13. We can get 5/13 into, yes, 12/13. Here it will be 13/12. Then definitely our result will be 5/12. Okay, 5/12 is the value of tan alpha. So sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to tan alpha. We have tested. Okay, sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to tan alpha. I will wipe it up. Just sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to tan alpha. What will be its reverse case? Cos alpha by sin alpha. We can test it. We can test. Okay, 12/13 whole by 5/13. Yes, 12/13 into 13/5. Okay, cancel. 12/5. 12/5 is the value of 12/5 is the value of cot alpha. Okay, cot alpha. So cos alpha by sin alpha is equal to cot alpha. We can write it. Just the formula. Cos alpha by sin alpha is equal to cot alpha. Likewise, we have discussed the sin alpha is the reverse of cosec alpha. Okay, here we see 5/13 and 13/5. So sin alpha into cosec alpha is equal to, yes, 5/13 into 13/5. It will be 1. Okay, sin alpha into cosec alpha is equal. These are the inverse relation. Okay, the inverse of sin alpha रो गुणात्मक विलोमी होची cosec alpha हला. So the multiplication of sin alpha and cosec alpha is equal to 1. From this we can draw the conclusion that cosec alpha is equal to 1 by sin alpha. Cosec alpha is equal to 1 by sin alpha. Likewise, we can say both cos and sec, cos alpha and sec alpha, they are inverse of each other. Paraspara guणात्मक विलोमी. So we can write, okay, cos alpha into sec alpha is equal to 1. You see 12/13 and 13/12. It will be 1, and we can draw the value of sec alpha is equal to value of sec alpha and गुणन अछि. Yes, 1 by cos alpha. Okay. So how to convert other ratios into the form of sin alpha and cos alpha? अन्य अनुपात गुडा को किभली भाबरे sin alpha cos alpha आकार प्रकाश करिबा ना tan alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha, cot alpha is equal to cos alpha by sin alpha, and cosec alpha is equal to 1 by sin alpha, sec alpha is equal to 1 by cos alpha. These are the things that we have already discussed. Then we will test other three formulae. What about sin square alpha plus cos square alpha? Just we will put the values and test it. Okay. Sin alpha is equal to 5/13. Sin square alpha is equal to 5/13 whole square of 5/13. Likewise, cos alpha 12 by 13 its square. Okay, it will be 25 by 169 plus 144 by 169. It will be 25 plus 144. Okay, 169. Here we get 169. It is equal to 1. Okay, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Okay, yesterday we have proved. Now what we did, just we tested whether the formula is right or wrong. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Okay, just we write simply sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. If we test sec square alpha minus tan square alpha, yes, 13 by 12, sec alpha 13 by 12 whole square of it minus tan 5 by 12. Okay, 5 by 12 whole square of 5 by 12. Okay, you see 13 by 12. Yes, the square of 13 by 12, 169 by 144 minus square of 5 is 25 by 144. Okay, if we deduct, we can get numerator 144, then 169 minus 25 is equal to 144. The result is 1. Okay, so sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Now try to test cosec square alpha minus cos square alpha. The value of cosec square alpha 13 by 5 is square. 13 by 5 square of 13 by 5 minus cosec square alpha minus cos square alpha 12 by 5 whole square of 12 by 5. It will be 169 by 25 minus, yes, 144 by 25, and here we see 25. 69 minus 124 is equal to what? 25. So the answer is 1. So cosec square alpha minus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Okay, ପିଲାଏ ଏଠାରେ ଏବିସି ତ୍ରିଭୁଜଟି ସମକୋଣୀ ତ୍ରିଭୁଜ, ଖାଲି ସମକୋଣ ନୁହେଁ, ସମକୋଣୀ ସମଦ୍ୱିବାହୁ ତ୍ରିଭୁଜ. ଓକେ, tell me, here BC is one unity and AB is one unity. AB is equal to BC and B is the right angle. What about the value of angle C? समकोणी समद्विबाहु, angle A is equal to angle C. Okay, they are complementary to each other, so both of them and each of them will be equal to 45 degree. C is equal to 45 degree, also A is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so how to get the value of AC? Yes, here we see B is one unity and B is one unity. How to get the value of H? Yes, P square plus B square root over. Yes, root over of P square plus B square. Okay, root over of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root over of 1 and 1 root over of 2. H is definitely root 2. If P is one unity, B is one unity, the marked angle is 45 degree. Okay, the marked angle is 45 degree, alpha is 45 degree, then H is equal to root 2 unity. Okay, now we have to find the value of sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is P by H, 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. What about cos 45 degree? S, B by H, 1 by root 2. Yes, 1 by root 2. What about tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree, yes, P by B. P by B, 1 by 1. Okay, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Then cot 45 degree, B by P, 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Sec 45 degree, the relationship between H and B, yes, H by B, root 2 by 1. Okay, root 2 by 1, just write it as root 2. Okay, root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. Then cosec 45 degree, H by P. Okay, root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. Okay. पिला ये देखुचे ए बी सी त्रिभुजटी समबाहु त्रिभुज आइसोस्केल्स ट्रायंगल. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच एंगल, स्पेशली दिस एंगल? यस, ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. व्हाट अबाउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल सी? यस, 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree, and also this one is 60 degree. Okay, all the three angles are equal, and they each of them is 60 degree. Okay, so here I draw the perpendicular from A on BC. Okay, and the foot point is D. A बिंदु BC प्रति अंकित लंबर पाद बिंदु D. पिले प्रत्येक बाहुर दैर्घ्य केते केते नबा? Almost should we take not one, here I take 2. You see, just I take BC is equal to 1 unit and BD is equal to 1 unit. How much is BC? BC is 2 units. Likewise, AC will be 2 units and AB will be 2 units. इले यही क्षेत्र में मु कौन कली ना याकू एक पकेबा परिवर्ते 2 पकेदेली. ये जदि एक पकई थांती डीसी टा आसता केते माने एसी टा को एक नहीं थले डीसी आसी थांता 1 विभक्त 2 भग्नांश आसी थांता हला. ए फ्रैक्शन गुडा को अवॉइड करिया पाई मो वर्तमान याकू पूरा 2 पकई देली. ओके, सो आमे तो त्रिकोणमितिर रेशियो पाइबा समकोणी त्रिभुज ना. तेणु वर्तमान मत खाली कह ए डी सी त्रिभुज देखा जाउची. ए डी सी त्रिभुज रे एंगल डी इज राइट एंगल. The value of angle C is equal to 60 degree. Am I right? What about the value of angle A? Definitely it will be 30 degree. Here we see 90 degree, here 60 degree, and rest 30 degree here. Okay. पिले एठी मो कोन कली ना ए बी सी त्रिभुजारू फाळे निभेई देली. कोन कली फाळे निभेई दे. और रहिला कोन एडीसी त्रिभुज. दिस इज द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल where D is the right angle. Okay, how to get the value of AD? Here, if we take the angle C as the marked angle 60 degree, then for 60 degree, this is the P, sammukhin bahu, opposite side, hala, and DC is the adjacent side. Okay, this is the B. B is equal to 1, and this is the H. H is equal to 2. Okay. My dear children, how to get the value of, how to draw the value of AD? ADC समकोणी त्रिभुज रे हाइपोटेनियस कर्ण AC हला 2 एकक BC हला 1 एकक ताहले AD भली निर्णय करिबा. Definitely the formula is formula for P. Okay, I am writing here h square minus b square. H square minus b square raw root over. Am I right? Okay. H square of 2 minus square of 1 whole root over. It will be 4 minus 1 whole root over. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. The result is root 3. Okay. Okay. For this angle 60 degree, we have P as root 3 and B 1 and H is equal to 2 unit. Okay. Now help me. I am going to write the value of sin 60. Here is 60. So the value of sin 60 is P by H root 3 by 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2. What will be the value of cos 60? Yes, inverse of sin 60. It is 2 by root 3. Then cos 60 b by h. Okay, 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. What will be the value of sec 60? Definitely 2 by 1. And 2 by 1 is equal to 2. What about the value of tan 60? Tan, here is 60, P by B, root 3 by 1. Okay, root 3 by 1 and it will be, and the cos 60 will be equal to 1 by root 3. Root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. So again, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cos 60 1 by root 3, sec 60 2 and cosec 60 2 by root 3. Let's discuss regarding 30 degree. Here we see D is the right angle, C is equal to 60 degree and A is equal to 30 degree. For this 30 degree, let me draw another triangle. Okay, another triangle. You see A, D, C. A, D, C. Here DC is equal to 1. H is equal to, sorry, AC is equal to 2. Okay, and AD is equal to what? Root 3. AD is equal to root 3. And marked angle 30 degree. Okay, here is our 30 degree. Which is the, yes, definitely D is the right angle and AC is the hypotenuse. Karna. So H 2 एकक एथिरे हाथ मारिबार नहीं, ये थय अछि. बाकी चेंज हो किए P B चेंज होछि. For this 30 degree, which is the opposite side. Okay, DC is the opposite side and we can write P. What? P is equal to 1. ये adjacent side टा देखो इटा लागे B 30 degree पाई AD होची B. Okay, 30 degree पाई B हेला AD. 30 डिग्री पाई सम्मुखीन बाहु उच्चता है एटा डीसी त्रिभुजर कर्ण है एसी एतिक ठीक रहा. एबे पिले 30 डिग्री आम टेबल फिलअप करवा है कौन करवा ये साइन 30 डिग्री सम्मुखीन बाहु बाई कर्ण P by H है 1/2. ओके, cos 30 degree cos 30 degree संलग्न बाहु by कर्ण b by h root 3 by 2. Am I right? Then tan 30 degree की धरिबा tan सम्मुखीन बाहु by संलग्न बाहु p by p 1 by root 3, right? 1 by root 3. Cot 30 degree, we can reverse it here. Then cot is the reverse of tan. Let's go to the picture. Here is 30 degree, cot 30 degree. Cot means yes, संलग्न बाहु by सम्मुखीन बाहु b by p root 3 by 1, which is equal to root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. Opposite आसीगला, r opposite आसीगो ठीक. sec 30 कर्ण by संलग्न बाहु h by p 2 by root 3. Then cosec 30 कर्ण by सम्मुखीन बाहु h by p 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Dear children, if we match, then we can get sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. ये थीटा हेले ये 90 माइनस थीटा 60 जदि थीटा हुए 30 हेबो 90 माइनस थीटा अनुपूरक कोण cos 60 1 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2 tan 60 root 3 cot 30 root 3. Likewise cot 60 is equal to tan 30. Then sec cosec 62 cosec 32 sec 60 cosec 60 आसिला 2 by root 3 sec 30 2 by root 3 हला ये थीटा है ये 90 minus थीटा. If 60 degree is equal to theta, then 30 degree is equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, we have already studied the same. Okay, just I have changed the sides of the triangle. Hala? I have drawn it in a different way. I have taken 90 degree here, and the marked angle alpha is here. Okay, so what will be the value of sin alpha? Which side by which side? Yes, सम्मुखीन बाहु p for alpha. This side is p and this side is b. Okay, and this is the hypotenuse of the triangle, right angle triangle, not of this angle. हला कर्ण केबे परिवर्तित हो जाए नहीं. Okay, so sin alpha is equal to xy by xz. Okay, xy by xz. Likewise, if I ask you what will be tan alpha is equal to yes सम्मुखीन बाहु by संलग्न बाहु xy by yz. Okay, xy by yz and so on. Why have I said this? ना पिले टिके साइडटा खाली चेंज हो गले केतले एठी रहउची केतले एठी रहउची केतले एपटे रहउची तेणु आमे सब दिगर हम ब्रेन टा जदि एक्सरसाइज करिथबा तेबे आमे ताको करि परिबा. डियर चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई एम ड्रॉन ए हाफ सर्कल. हला तो प्रोट्रैक्टर तो हला हियर इज योर प्रोट्रैक्टर. जस्ट यू सी हियर इज एन एंगल. Its value may be 20 degree, maybe 20 degree. Hello? I assume it as 20 degree. So for this 20 degree, तुम्हारा भूमि डाबो किए ए परपेंडिकुलर हवा इटा b p इटा हला एटी मो p ना दोची p1 दोची हला एडा को b1 दोची देखिला पिले एडा ओ दे दे 20 डिग्री पाई भूमि है केते ओ b1. ओके एवं 20 डिग्री पाई उच्चता हला p1 b1. am I right? बुझियो ना एटा 20 डिग्री में ना कुछ कहनी एठी कोण चिन्हित कोण जदी 20 डिग्री हुए ताले 20 डिग्री सामना बाहु अपोजिट साइड P1 B1 20 डिग्री संलग्न बाहु B O B1 ठीक ठीक तो आ त्रिभुजर कर्ण तो O P1 तो ठीक अच्छी है एटा कर्ण अच्छी पिले 20 को बर्तन बढ़ेली एटा 40 डिग्री की क्या बढ़ेली एंगल को बढ़ाऊँगी एंगल को बढ़ेला द्वारा बर्तन देख पिले एटा गला P2 एटा गला B2 ताले सम्मुखीन बाहु किए है P2 B2 एंगल 20 रु 40 की गले एटा बर्तन केते रहला 40 डिग्री ओके 40 डिग्री पाई P2 B2 परपेंडिकुलर टू होती P एटा होती P1 थला एटा हे गला P2 हला भूमि बर्तन कमुची संलग्न बाहु OB1 थला कमिकरी OB2 हला सम्मुखीन बाहु बढ़ुची संलग्न बाहु कमुची P एडी की थला एडे हला P बढ़ुची B एडे थला एडी केला B कमुची बर्तन 40 रु आउ टिके बढ़ाई देली कर्ण जहा थला सैया कर्ण जहा अछि किछि बदली जाई नहीं हला तो पिले मु आपको वर्तमान 40 रु 70 डिग्री की नहीं गले सपोज दिस इज 70 डिग्री हम देखो एटा P3 आसी गला एटी P3 एटी B3 ओके पिले परपेंडिकुलर रे केळेला देखिबा थीटा बढ़ी बेले 20 डिग्री बेले परपेंडिकुलर P1 B1 40 डिग्री बेले P2 B2 70 डिग्री बेले P3 B3 परपेंडिकुलर बढ़ुची हला बेस्ट देखिबा बेस्टा 20 डिग्री बेले OB1 40 डिग्री बेले OB2 70 डिग्री बेले OB3 किए कमुची भूमि कमुची कौन सूत्र पाइली ना P बढ़ुची B कमुची हला if the angle increases from 20 degree to 40 degree from 40 degree to 70 degree then our P increases but B decreases okay in accordance with the increase in angle we will have as P increasing and B decreasing okay P बढ़ुची B कमुची likewise hypotenuse किंतु समान OP जो व्यासार्थ नहीं कि वृत्त बोलेছি सही व्यासार्थ OP1 OP2 सही है OP3 सही है हला कर्ण समान रहुची पिले 70 रो मो बर्तन आउटे बढ़ाई के 80 डिग्री कि नेली कोन आसीबो E4 ये B4 तो परपेंडिकुलर आहुरी बढ़ुची भूमि आहरी कमी गले कमी आसिकी पूरा कमी गलानी तो पिले बर्तमान चिन्हित गुण 20 रु 40 की गले 40 रु 70 की गले 70 रु 80 की गले बर्तमान चिन्हित गुण को कौन करूची ना पूरा मिसे दउची बढ़ुची के P बढ़ुची P बढ़ी बढ़ी बर्तमान ये जेमिति गला ये सेमिति फेरिबो हला कोटा हमर एटा कर्ण जाउथला ओ सम्मुखीन बाहु फेरुथला एठी कर्ण रे गला सम्मुखीन बाहु फेरिला एठी कर्ण रे गला परपेंडिकुलर रे फेरिला एठी हाइपोटेन्यूज रे गला परपेंडिकुलर रे फेरिला एठी हाइपोटेन्यूज रे गला परपेंडिकुलर रे फेरिला समान सम्मुखीन बाहु बढ़ी बढ़ी गिरे हला बढ़ाई गला सम्मुखीन बाहु बढ़ी बढ़ी गिरे समान हेला ताले थीटा समान 90 डिग्री हेले P बढ़ी बढ़ी गिरी बढ़ुतला के P बढ़ुची P बढ़ी बढ़ी गिरी ए सहित समान हे गला B समान B कमी 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 गिरी 0 को पळई आसिला वैल्यू ऑफ sin 90 P by H cos 90 B by H tan 90 P by B এটা B by P এটা H by B cosec 90 H by P এটা जनरल फॉर्मूला 90 डिग्री बेले P जहाँ लेते सैया तो h by h is equal to 1 cos 90 b by h b माने 0 by h is equal to 0 by h is equal to लंबर 0 tan 90 p by b p जगह पकेनी h b जगह 0 h by 0 ले हर रे 0 रही परिबनी भग्नांश रे आमे लिखु p by q भग्नांश ले कोन q is not equal to 0 हर हमर डिनोमिनेटर का केबे 0 होई परिबो नाही बा हरण रे आमे केबे भाजक 0 नै परिबा नाही हला तने हर रे 0 आसला माने आमे तो कहले कोन एडे बड़ संख्या हो एडे बड़ संख्या 0 नहीं एडे बड़ संख्या हो अनंत जाका कहते जाको केबे कोन आमे कल्पना करि परिबा नाही एडे बड़ हम कल्पना भी आगे बड़ हो आमे जेडे बड़ कल्पना करि परिबा तने करी आमे ताको लिखिले अनिर्णय हला इनरेडिंग लाइकवाइज एटी मध्य p by p कोन p by p की तरह गला b by p माने 0 by p हला h 0 by h तो लबर 0 रहले 0 sec 90 h by b h माने h b जगह रे 0 it will be inverted हला cosec 90 h by p ओके cosec 90 h by p h जहां p से या h हला h तो h by h is equal to 1 तो पिले एठो लक्ष्य करो ये बाहर गलो sin 90 रो मूल्य वर्तमान में जाउते कोठी की ना sin 0 आडे कमे गिरा आसीबा तो के कमिबो ना जे ओडुतला जे कमिबो हला as theta increases p increases as theta decreases p decreases p कमी गिरी कोन हो 0 रे पहुंचबो b बड़ी गिरी कोठी पहुंचबो तो 0 रे पहुंचबो मोर कहया कथा होची बिले हमें 90 माइनस थीटा सूत्रटा यदि प्रयोग करबा तबे एठी हम इजीली लिखि देई परबा कोन sin 90 जहा cos 0 सही है हला cos 90 जहा sin 0 सही है tan 90 जहा cot 0 सही है cot 90 is equal to tan 90 sec 90 is equal to cosec 90 and cosec 90 is equal to sorry 0 ना 90 कौन इधर cot 90 is equal to tan 0 sec 90 is equal to cosec 0 हला cosec 90 is equal to sec 0 डिग्री तो पिले लास्ट पार्ट टिके तरह रे सारी पुणी रिवीजन दरकार बहुत धन्यवाद आज शेष पर्यंत शुणिल रिवीजन मध्य सरिला नुआ पाठ आगामी कालांश रे ओके।